The Kaipara Harbour is one of the largest harbours in the southern hemisphere.
Sadly, the mauri of the Wairoa River and Kaipara Moana is being degraded by sediment.
Waima Waitai Waiora is a partnership project.
We have mana whenua at the table, we have Crown agencies, we have land care groups, we have dairy farmers. They come together for what they believe is actually right.
We've been working with different groupings, including Fonterra, DOC, the councils, in terms of riparian fencing, riparian planting.
We've had those courageous conversations with the farmers. They've been very willing to actually create that change by knowing the funding there is there to assist them, and the fundamental values Dub had in that had a point of difference.
It's a bit of collaboration between everyone around here. We recognise the natural importance of this area and everyone's doing their bit to protect it.
Looking after the water quality for me is looking at our future grandchildren's to be. We need to do something now about it.